Want to make money from trading? First, understand this. Trading is not guaranteed income, and you can lose money.
First, open a demat and trading account with a SEBI-registered broker. Then, learn the basics of the stock market and different order types.
Never trade randomly. Choose one simple trading strategy and practice it using historical charts or paper trading before risking real money.
Risk management is the most important part. Decide your stop loss before entering a trade, and never risk too much of your capital on a single trade.
You don't need to trade every day. Trade only when your strategy gives you a valid setup. Avoid FOMO, revenge trading, and emotional decisions.
There's no strategy that guarantees profit. Learn first, practice with paper trading, and start small when you're ready. Remember, your first goal isn't making money, it's protecting your capital.